Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com, and I'm excited to share with you that I'm in Park City, Utah today. I'm at the Grand Summit Resort, and I'm actually here as part of a hosted trip by GMC. I flew into Salt Lake City, Utah, and drove a GMC truck up here, up through Provo, up through the canyon, and here into Park City, and it is a gorgeous day. This is a beautiful hotel. I'll be sharing more about my drive event with you, but I also wanted to give you a peek at this hotel because it's fantastic, and if you're considering a visit, you might appreciate seeing some of the neat features that I'm finding here. So as I mentioned, this is a ski resort. And so if you're traveling with your family for skiing, space is probably going to be an issue, and they've got you covered. These closets are huge. Got your safe and your ironing board and your iron, lots of hangers, your luggage rack. And take you into the bathroom here. And I will say one of the first things I noticed about this hotel is how clean it is. And I love, love, love a clean hotel. So that's something that really, really stands out to me. And I really appreciate that. So here is a look at the shower and bathtub. And then they also provide full-size body products with the hand pump, which I also really appreciate because that's really nice to have. And then we'll go out here, and I want you to get a look at this kitchen because it's fantastic. You have everything you need, everything. Like, this is a kitchen that has a stove, dishwasher, refrigerator, and then I also wanted to show you that they are providing everything you'll need to cook meals for your family. There are glasses and coffee, condiments, silverware right here, and then some baking dishes. And I wanted to show you down here as well because literally this is going to feel a lot like home because you're going to be able to bring groceries and have everything that you need. And I'm sharing all of this because if you are taking a trip like this, it's something I really appreciate knowing about, so I'm hoping that that will have value to you as well. So just literally just like home, kind of got all the things that you need plus a dining room table. So really a great family getaway, kind of a nice added touch here at the Grand Summit Resort. Here is a peek at the bed area. Again, lots of space, lots of drawer space, full-length mirror, and a huge big screen TV. This resort is a RockResorts property, and so it also includes a RockResorts spa, which I'm really excited to check out. And then the most wonderful thing about this room, in my opinion, is the view. And I'm hoping, it's so bright out, but I'm hoping you can see this without glare. It is just beautiful here today. You can see the chairlift going. Honestly, just such a beautiful view. You could just sit up here in your room and watch and enjoy the happenings at the hotel. This is the entrance to the hotel. And again, I'm on the 4th floor. Just beautiful. So there you go. Here's a peek again at my room at the Grand Summit Hotel here in Park City, Utah. Feel free to ask questions, and I will report back after my stay here to let you know of anything else that I've noticed or enjoyed. And there you go. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.